Geopolitical tensions are rising, defense budgets are soaring, and a new era of national security is dawning. In this environment, a powerful, often overlooked sector is not just holding its ground but is primed for explosive growth: the defense industry. While headlines focus on tech giants, smart money is increasingly flowing into the bedrock companies building the future of global security. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 largest defense stocks that are strategically positioned to capitalize on this unprecedented demand. These companies are locking in multi-billion-dollar contracts, expanding their global footprint. Stick around for the comparative data analysis at the end. First up, let's talk about L3Harris Technologies, Incorporated, ticker LHX. This company stands as a critical pillar in national security, connecting air, land, space, sea, and cyber domains. With 53 hedge funds holding positions, its value is clear. The company recently secured a monumental $2.26 billion contract with the Republic of Korea for its airborne early warning and control program. This partnership delivers modified global 6,500 AEW and C aircraft, designed for superior endurance, speed, and combat-proven radar coverage, crucial for swift threat detection and allied interoperability. This deal highlights L3Harris's ability to deliver advanced solutions for key U.S. allies. L3Harris has been on a tear, rising over 42% year-to-date. Its Q3 2025 performance was a blowout, with EPS of $2.70 and revenue of $5.7 billion, both significantly beating analyst estimates. Organic revenue growth hit a robust 10%, and segment margins expanded for an impressive 8th consecutive quarter. The company subsequently raised its full-year 2025 guidance, projecting revenues of approximately $22 billion and non-generally accepted accounting principles EPS between $10.50 and $10.70. With a $54.36 billion market cap, L3Harris is a key beneficiary of increased global threats and Pentagon initiatives like the $175 billion Golden Dome program. The transformative acquisition of Aerojet Rocketdyne further solidifies its missile systems capabilities, showing 15% quarterly growth. With 24 consecutive years of dividend increases, L3Harris offers compelling growth and income potential. Next, we have TransDigm Group Incorporated, ticker TDG. This company stands as a formidable player among the largest defense stocks, specializing in engineered aircraft components for both commercial and military aircraft. Despite recent price target adjustments due to broader market conditions, 79 hedge funds hold its stock. TransDigm's Q3 2025 results saw an EPS of $8.47 and revenue of $2.24 billion, both missing forecasts. However, the company showcased remarkable resilience, a robust EBITDA margin of 54.4% and strong free cash flow of $715 million, pushing year-to-date FCF to $1.9 billion. Management maintained its full fiscal year revenue guidance of $8.79 billion, representing 11% growth, and increased its EBITDA guidance. What truly sets TransDigm apart is its business model, with 90% of sales derived from proprietary products, providing a formidable competitive moat and impressive gross profit margins nearing 60%. This proprietary strength is consistently reinforced through strategic acquisitions, such as the $765 million Simmons Precision Products deal, expected to add $350 million in 2025 revenue, and the $138 million Servotronics purchase. While commercial OEM headwinds persist, the company's defense segment surged 13%. Wall Street analysts maintain a consensus buy rating, with an average one-year price target of $1,557.89, suggesting a 17.43% upside. With 4 consecutive years of dividend increases, TransDigm's commitment to shareholder returns, exceptional cash generation, and strategic growth positions it as a compelling defense investment. Moving on to General Dynamics Corporation, ticker GD. This is a leading global aerospace and defense powerhouse, diversified across aerospace, marine systems, combat systems, and technologies. With 61 hedge funds as holders, its strategic importance is clear. The company recently secured a massive $3.5 billion contract for Germany's next-generation reconnaissance vehicle, marking one of the largest modernization programs for its ground forces. This follows a $1.25 billion contract supporting the U.S. Army in Europe and Africa, underscoring its pivotal role in international defense. General Dynamics delivered a decisive Q3 2025 earnings beat, posting EPS of $3.88 versus a $3.69 forecast, and revenue of $12.91 billion, an 11% year-over-year jump that outpaced consensus by nearly $450 million. The aerospace division, driven by demand for Gulfstream jets, saw sales soar 30% year-over-year, while the marine division's revenue jumped 14% due to robust defense spending. The company generated an astounding $1.9 billion in free cash flow, nearly double estimates. GD's record backlog of $103.7 billion, up 14% year-over-year, provides exceptional revenue visibility, trading near all-time highs at $346.34, up 14% over the past year. General Dynamics benefits from broad analyst support, with multiple price target increases. Its 47-year history of dividend payments and 12 consecutive years of increases further solidify its appeal to both growth and income-focused investors looking for stability. Our fourth pick is Lockheed Martin Corporation, ticker LMT. This is a global leader in aerospace, defense, and security, providing advanced military aircraft, missile systems, and space technologies. With 73 hedge funds holding positions, it's a staple in serious defense portfolios. Bernstein recently lifted its price target to $545, reflecting strong market confidence. Lockheed's Q3 2025 earnings were robust, with EPS of $6.95 exceeding forecasts and revenue of $18.6 billion, up 9% year-over-year. The company's strategic positioning amidst escalating geopolitical conflicts has created unprecedented demand. This is reflected in a record backlog of $179 billion, bolstered by over $30 billion in recent multi-year contract awards for critical programs like PAC-3 missiles, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, Long-Range Anti-Ship Missile, CH-53K helicopters, and F-35 fighter jets. Lockheed Martin raised its full-year 2025 sales guidance to $74.25 to $74.75 billion, projecting mid-single-digit top-line growth. While the stock saw a slight dip post-earnings, its underlying financial health and operational performance remained strong. Lockheed boasts an impressive dividend track record, having increased dividends for 23 consecutive years, with payments maintained for 42 years, offering a current yield of approximately 3%. Despite a valuation reflecting its premium market position, Lockheed Martin's leadership in advanced defense, consistent contract wins, and commitment to shareholder returns make it a cornerstone investment. Coming in at number 5, we have RTX Corporation, ticker RTX. Formerly Raytheon Technologies, this stands as a global giant in aerospace and defense, operating through its formidable Collins Aerospace, Pratt & Whitney, and Raytheon businesses. With 71 hedge funds holding its stock, RTX is clearly a preferred choice for institutional investors. The company absolutely smashed expectations in Q3 2025, posting an adjusted EPS of $1.70 versus the $1.41 forecast, and revenue of $22.5 billion, significantly beating the $21.27 billion consensus. These stellar results propelled RTX's stock to a fresh all-time high and prompted a well-deserved full-year guidance raise. RTX's Q3 2025 performance was a masterclass in operational strength. Diluted EPS grew 29.4% year-over-year, revenue climbed 11.9%, and the company maintained a strong EBITDA margin of 17.3% and an impressive operating cash flow margin of 20.6%. This broad-based strength is fueled by soaring demand for its missiles and aftermarket services, strategically positioning RTX to navigate global challenges. Following these results, top analysts at UBS, Morgan Stanley, and Susquehanna all raised their price targets, with Morgan Stanley calling RTX their top pick in aerospace. The consensus buy rating from Wall Street, with an average share price upside potential of 5%, reflects strong confidence. With a massive market cap of $237.3 billion, an attractive dividend track record, and a blend of innovation and operational discipline, RTX remains a standout in an industry facing unprecedented demand. Finally, let's explore GE Aerospace, ticker GE. This is now a pure-play aviation powerhouse. Following the successful spin-off of GE Vernova, With an installed base of 25,000 military and 45,000 commercial aircraft engines, it boasts the world's largest commercial engine fleet. An impressive 100 hedge funds hold positions, signaling strong institutional conviction. GE Aerospace absolutely beat Q3 2025 expectations, with revenue soaring 26% to $11.3 billion and adjusted EPS surging 44% to $1.66, well above forecasts. This marked one of GE's strongest quarters, driven by booming demand for its engines and services. Commercial engines and services revenue jumped 27% year-over-year, with its LEAP engine program seeing 40% more deliveries. Crucially, defense and propulsion technologies revenue also surged 26%, with profit skyrocketing 75%, demonstrating rare dual strength across both commercial and defense segments. Management hiked full-year EPS guidance to $6 to $6.20 and free cash flow to $7.1 to $7.3 billion, reflecting confidence in its colossal $175 billion order backlog. Strategic investments of nearly $1 billion in supply chain expansion, coupled with rigorous operational discipline, are powering both growth and margin expansion. UBS and RBC Capital both reiterated buy and outperform ratings. While valuation is looking rich, GE Aerospace's relentless innovation, robust order book, consistent guidance upgrades, and commitment to shareholder returns, including $7 billion in share repurchases for 2025 and a 30% dividend increase, make it an undeniably compelling and high-performing defense investment. Now, let's line up the data side by side. Starting with market capitalization, GE Aerospace leads at a staggering $324.1 billion, followed by RTX at $237.3 billion. Lockheed Martin and General Dynamics are solid contenders at $118.1 billion and $93.6 billion, while TransDigm Group at $72.4 billion shows impressive heft. L3 Harris at $54.4 billion offers a rapidly growing footprint. When we look at revenue, Lockheed Martin, $71.8 billion, and General Dynamics, $50.3 billion, are the titans. GE Aerospace, at $33.1 billion, showcases its massive engine fleet's reach, while RTX, at $22.48 billion, is a significant player. L3 Harris follows with $21.4 billion and TransDigm with $8.6 billion. Gross margins reveal fascinating profitability. TransDigm Group dominates here with an incredible 58.23% gross margin. GE Aerospace also boasts a very healthy 36.04%. L3 Harris and RTX sit in the mid-range with 23.27% and 20.38%, respectively, while General Dynamics and Lockheed Martin, at 15.25% and 12.04%, highlight the complex, often lower-margin nature of large-scale systems. Earnings per share gives us per-share profitability. TransDigm stands out with an impressive $30.12 per share earnings. General Dynamics and Lockheed Martin follow with strong earnings of $15.43 and $17.91 per share. GE Aerospace, $7.50, and L3 Harris, $9.31, are robust. RTX shows a more modest $4.87 EPS, reflecting higher reinvestment. Finally, for income-focused investors, dividend yield is key. Lockheed Martin leads with a generous 2.88% yield, followed by General Dynamics at 1.71% and L3 Harris at 1.64%. RTX offers 1.48%. TransDigm, despite its high profitability, provides a much lower 0.13%, indicating a strategy focused on reinvesting capital and special dividends. GE Aerospace, at 0.44%, is also geared towards growth. So these are 6 of the largest, most strategically important defense stocks poised for significant upside in the current global climate. Now, which of these defense stocks do you believe has the strongest long-term potential, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you're looking for more insights with serious growth potential, check out our video right here on 5 most promising stocks with huge upside potential.